Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic factors and then find out HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Our first heading is factor. The factor of a number is exactly divides the number with its remainder as 0. I will explain with the help of some example. Our first example, find the factors of the number 12. First is find the factors of 12. Then we are studying 1 to 10 multiplication table, isn't it? Yes, we already studied 1 to 10 multiplication table. First we check the 1 to 10 multiplication table including the product 12. Okay, then our first table 1, 1's table. Then 1 multiplied by 12 equal 12. Yes, in any number multiplied by the 1, then we get the same number. So, the factors of 12 is also included in 1 and 12. 1 multiplied by the 12 equal 12. Then next we are checking, it is included in 2's table. We are checking 1 to 10 tables as the product of 12. Okay, then our 2's table. In 2's table, how we can got the answer 12? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, then 2 6 are 12. Yes, the factors of 12s are 2 and 6. Then it is reverse order. 6 2s are also 12. Okay, both numbers are same. 2 6 and 6 2. Both numbers are same, written in one time. Okay. Then next we want to find out the next table. That means 3's table. In 3's table there is the number 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Okay, then multiply. 3 4s are 12. Then in reverse order 4 3s are also 12. Okay, then 3's table 12, 4's table 12. Next find out the 5th table, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tables we are find out the product of 12. Next we find out the number as 5th table. There is the product of 12 in 5th table? No, in 5's table there is no 12. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. There is no 12 in 5's table. Then next we want to find out 6th table. We already write 6 2s are 12. Then 6 2s are 12, 2 6 are 12. Both the numbers are same. Then in 7's table there is 12. No, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. There is no 12. Then in 8's table there is 12. No, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Here we want the number 12. There is no 12 in 8's table. Then 9's table. In 9's table there is 12. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. There is no 12. Then in 10's table, no 12 because in 10's multiplication we given the numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. Okay, so the factors of 12s are, we are writing in ascending order. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. The factors of 12s are, first we are ordering in ascending order. That means first we have 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. The next number 4. Then our next number is 6. Then our next number is 12. So the factors of 12s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay, then once more I explain this problem. Find the factors of 12. First we check the 1 to 10 tables including the product of 12. In every number we multiplied by the number, we get the same number. So 1 is a factor of every number. That's why we are writing 1 multiply 12 equal 12. Then we are checking in 2's table, we got the answer 12. How many times? 2 6 are 12. Yes. Then 6 2s are also 12. Both the numbers are same. That's why we write only one time. Okay. 2 6 and 6 2. Both numbers are same. That's why we are selecting only one time that number. Okay. Then in 3's table, how we can got the number 12? 3 4s are 12. Okay. Then 4 3s are also 12. So we write only one time number 3 4s are 12. Then in 5's table, no 12. 6 table 12 already right. Then 7 table, 8 table, 9's table and 10's table there is no 12. So the factors of 12s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Then our second example, find the factors of the number 20. Again we want to check 1 to 10 table including the product 20. Okay, then first is 120. 1 multiplied by 20 equal 20. In every number is multiplied by 1, we get that same number. Then next checking, in 2's table there is 20. Yes, we already studied 2 tens are 20. Then 2 tens are 20 and also write the reverse order, that means 10 2's are 20. Okay, then in 3's table 20, we already studied about the 3's table, there is 20. No, 3 5's are 15, 3 6's are 18, 3 7's are 21. And then there is no 20 in 3's table. Then in 4's table there is 20. Yes, we already studied in 4's table how we can got the answer 20. 4 5's are 20. Yes, 4 5's are 20. Or 5 4's are 20. That means in 5's table 4 times our answer is 20. So 4 5's are 20 and 5 4's are 20. Then in 7's table there is 20. No, 7 3's are 21. It's X here. No 20 in 7th table. Then in 8's table 20. No. Then 8 1's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 8 3's are 24. So there is no 20 in 8's table. Then 9's table there is no 20 because 9 2's are 18 and 9 3's are 27. Then 10's table also included 20. Then we write 10 2's are 20 and 2 10's are 20. So our factors of 20's are, while we are writing the factors of 20, we are considering the ascending order. So the factors of 20 are 1, 2, then next 4, next 5, then 10 and last is 20. Therefore, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Once again I explain, find the factors of 20. Then in any number multiplied by 1 we get the same number. So we write 1 multiplied by 20 equal 20. In 2's table 2 tens are 20. Then 10 2's are 20. So 2's and 10's table also included the product 20. Then in 3's table there is no 20. In 4's table 20 as 4 5's are 20. Then in written ways 5 4's are 20. That means in 4's table 20 and 5 table also 20. Then in 6 tables, 7's table, 8 table, 9's table there is no 20. Know the values of the product 20. But in 10's table there is 20, but we are already written 2 10's and 20 and is reverse 10 2's are 20. So we find the factors of 20 are, we are writing these factors in ascending order. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 are the factors of 20. Then our third example, find the factors of 24. First we are write 124. 1 multiplied 24 equal 24. Then take the 2's table. Then 2's table, we do not know how to get 24 in 2's table. In 2's table, we do not know how to get the answer 24. In that cases, we are using division. That means 24 division 2. 24 division 2. Because we are studying in 2's table, 2 tens are 20. We already studied the table up to 10. 2 tens are 20. We do not know. 2 11s are how many numbers? We do not know. So that's why we are selecting 24 division by 2. Then 24 divided by 2. In 2's table, how we can got the number 2? 2 1s are 2. So we write 2 1s are 2. Then 2 minus 2 equal 0. Then our next number is 4. Then in 2's table, how we can got the answer 4? 2 2s are 4. So we write here 2. Then 4 minus 4 equal 0. That means 12 multiplied 2 equal 24. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. That means in 2's table how we can got the answer 24 how many times? 12 times. So we write 2 multiplied 12 equal 24. Okay. That means that in 2's table, we already study about up to 10 in 2's table. That means 2 tens are 20. We do not know how to the number 24 in 2's table. In that cases, we are using division. That means 24 division 2. So we get 24 divided by 2 as 12. So we get the answer as 12 multiplied by 2 equal 24. That's why right here 2 multiplied by 12 equal 24. Then in 3's table there is 24. Then 3 6 are 18. Then 3 7s are 21. Then 3 8s are 24. Then in 3's table there is 24. How many times? 3 8s are 24. Or 8 3s are 24. Okay, then 8's table also included in 24 and also 3's table included in 24. So 3 8s are 24 or 8 3s are 24. Then in 4's table there is 24. Yes, 4 5s are 20. Then 4 6 are 24. So we write 4 6 are 24. Okay, then 6 4s are also 24. Then in 5's table there is 24. No, 5 5s are 25. 6 table we are already written. Then in 7's table there is 24. No, 7 3s are 21. Then there is no 24 in 7's table. Then in 8's table we are already written. 8 3s are 24. Then in 9's table there is no 24. 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. There is no 24 in 9's table. Then 10's table already. There is no 24 in 10's table because our values are 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. So there is no 24 in 10's table. So the factors of 24s are, which are the factors of 24? Factors of 24s are, we are writing ascending order. Factors of 24s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So the factors of 24s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Once again I explain, find the factors of 24. In every table, 1 has the factor of that number. That means 1 multiplied 24 equal 24. In 2's table, we do not know how we can get the number 24 in 2's table. In that cases, we are using division. Then we get 12 multiplied by 2 equal 24. So 2 into 12 equal 24. Then in 3's table already 24. Then in return 8 table already 24. So we write only one time 3 8s or 8 3. Then next is 4's table, 4 6 are 24 and 6 4s are 24. Then in 5's table, 7's table, 9's table and 10's table there is no 24. Therefore, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Then our next heading is highest common factor or HCF. Then its another name is greatest common divisor or GCD. We commonly use the term HCF, highest common factors. In previous classes, we already learned about how to find out LCM. That means first we find out multiples, then find out common multiples. At last you find out its least common multiple. That means the smallest number in common multiples. Okay. Then now we go to study about the term HCF. HCF means highest common factor. First we find out the factors of two numbers. Okay. We are given two numbers. So first find out the factors of that two numbers. Then find out its common factors. At last you find out its highest common factor. That means we are find outing the common factors and then selecting its higher value. Okay, then I will explain with the help of some example. Our first example, find the HCF of the number 10 and 20. Find the HCF of 10 and 20. Then how we can find out the HCF of this number? First we are find out factors, then find out common factors. At last you find out highest common factors. So our first is find out the factors of the number 10 and 20. here the factors of 10. Factors of 10s are, then in every one's table there is the number 10. So 1 tens are 10. Then in 2's table there is 10. Yes, 2 5s are 10. Then in return 5 2s are 10. Then in 3's table there is 10. No, 3 3s are 9. There is no 10 in 3's table. Then in 4's table 10. 4 8s, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So there is no 10 in 4's table. Then in 5's table 10, we are already written 5 2s are 10. 6 table there is no 10. 7 table, 8 table, 9's table there is no 10. In 10's table we are already written 1 multiplied by 10 and 10 multiplied by 1 equal 10. Okay, so the factors of 10s are, which are the factors of 10s? 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, then our next number is factors of 20. So find out the factors of 20. Factors of 20. So in one's table 20. That means 1 into 20 equal 20. Then in 2's table 20. Yes, 2 tens are 20. Then 2 multiplied by 10 equal 20, or 10 multiplied by 2 equal 20. Then in 3's table 20, no, 3 6 are 18. There is no 20 in 3's table. Then 4's table 20, yes, 4 5s are 20. Then 4 5s are 20, or 5 4s are 20. Okay, then both the 4 and 5th table, 4th and 5th table also included the product 20. Then in 6th table there is 20, no, 18 the value, 6 3s are 18. Then in 7, 8, 9, there is no 20 in that table. Then in 10's table we are already written 10 2s are 20. So the factors of 20 are, then factors of 20 are, which are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay. Now we get the factors of both number. Factors of 10s are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Then factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Then next we find out the common factors. Okay. Then in both these two factors, which are the common number? 1, then 2, 2, 4, there is no 4, 5, yes, 5, and here 10, here also 10. Okay, then the common factors of these numbers, common factors of 10 and 20 are, common factors of 10 and 20 are 1, then 2, 5 and 10. Next we want highest common factor. Highest common factors. That highest common factor is known as HCF. Then in these common factors, which are the highest value? Yes, 10 is the highest value. Therefore, our HCF equal 10. Okay. Then once more I explain. Find the HCF of the number 10 and 20. First we are returning the factors of 10. Here factors of 10s are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Next find out the factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Next we want to find out the common factors. That means in factors of 10 and factors of 20, some numbers are common. So we are selecting that common numbers 1, 2, 5 and 10. So we write the common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. At last you find out the highest common factor. Highest common factor means when we are find out the common factors in that number which are the biggest number. Here the biggest number is 10. So our HCF equal 10. Then our next example, find the HCF of the numbers 18 and 30. First we find out the factors of 18. Then factors of 18 are, then in ones table 18, then 118 equal 18. Then in twos table 18, yes, 2 nines are 18. Then 9 twos are also 18. Then in threes table there is 18. Yes, 3 6 are 18. Then 3 6 are 18 or 6 3s are 18. Then in fours table there is 18. No, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. There is no 18 in fours table. Then fives table no 18. Six table we are already written. 6 3s are 18. Then 7 table there is no 18. 7 3s are 21. So there is no 18 in 7's table. 8 table there is 18. No, 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. So there is no 18 in 8's table. Then 9's table we are already written. 9 2s are 18. Then in 10's table there is no 18. So the factors of 18s are, which are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9 and 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next we want to find out the factors of which number? 30. So the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are, then in ones table 30, 130 equal 1 multiplied 30 equal 30. Then in twos table 30, we don't know. In twos table there is 30. We already studied about up to 10. In twos table 2 tens are 20. In that cases we are using which method? Division. So 2 dash equal 30. So we are using 30 division 2. Okay, then 30 division 2. Then 1 2s are 2. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then 10. Then 2's table, how we can got the number 10? 5 times. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 equal 0. That means 15 multiplied by 2 equal 30. So we write here 15. 2 multiply 15 equal 30. Then in 3's table there is 30. Yes, 3 tens are 30. 3 multiplied 10 equal 30 or 10 multiplied by 3 equal 30. Okay, then in 4's table there is 30. No. Then 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 28. Then 4 8s are 32. There is no 30 in 4's table. Then 5's table 30. Yes, 5 6 are 30. Then 5 6 are 30 or 6 5s are 30. Then in 7's table there is no 30. 8's table no 30. Then in 9's table there is 30. No, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So there is no 30 in 9's table. Then 10's table 30. We are already written 10 3s are 30. Okay. Then the factors of 30 are, factors of 30 are, which are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, then 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. Then these are the factors of 30 and these are the factors of 18. Then next we find out the common factors of that two numbers. Common factors of 18 and 30 are, in both these numbers 30 and 18, which are the common numbers? Yes, 1. Then here 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6. Here 9, no, here no 9. Then 18. There is no 18 in these numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and 6. The common factors of 18 and 30 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, then Next we want to find out its HCF. HCF means highest common factor. When we are selecting the common factors in that number, which is the highest value? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Which is the highest value? 6. Yes, our HCF equal 6. Therefore, the HCF of 18 and 30 equal 6. Okay, once again I explain this problem. Find the HCF of 18 and 30. First we find out the factors of 18. Then in 1's table 18. 2 9's are 18. 2's table already 18. And 9's table also included the product 18. Then in 3's table 3 6 are 18. So in return 6 3's are 18. Then in another table there is no 18. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. Then next factors of 30. In every table included the number 1 as the factor of its number itself. So 1 multiply 30 equal 30. In 2's table 30. We don't know in 2's table 30. While we are studying only 2 10's are 20. That means we are studying up to 10 table in 2. So 2 10's are 20. That's why in that cases we are using the division method. That means we are using 30 division 2. 30 division 2 equal 15. That means 15 multiplied by 2 equal 30. So 2 15 equal 30. Then in 3's table 3 10's are 30. And in return 10 3's are also 30. Then in 4's table no 30. Then 5's table 5 6 are 30. And in return 6 5's are 30. Then in 7's table 8's table 9's table there is no 30. Then 10's table 30 we are already written. 10 3's are 30. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Then next we want to find out the common factors of 18 and 30. Here the common numbers of 18 and 30 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. So we write the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next we want to find out its highest common factor. Here our highest number is 6. Therefore our HCF equal 6. So I hope all of you understood today's class. Then children take care. Bye. Thank you.